Crazy old fart has found a way to make daily pay online in as little as 2 hours a day. Hi, I'm Butch Phillips. That's right, I'm the crazy old fart. And if you're over 50 and still stressing about money, listen up. I used to think I'd be stuck working forever. I tried everything: side hustles, investing, even cutting expenses. Nothing worked. Then I found this system: a 95% done for you online business that's helping thousands of people. Zero tech skills, zero social media skills to earn daily pay. And the best part? You don't have to chase your friends. You don't have to chase your family and bug them. You just simply don't have to spend hours online. If you can follow simple step by step training, this can work for you. No BS, just real results. Drop ready in the comments or click my link to see how you can start earning daily pay. Because let's be honest, if nothing changes, nothing changes. Now, when you go up to that link, check out the link tree button, number 3, to sign up on the waiting list for our new Adventure and Success Awaits community, or schedule on number 2 there your free Zoom call. I look forward to seeing you and speaking with you soon.